Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing, and here we have also another Christmas gift. I am really silly when it comes to gifts because I can't hold myself. There's a better word for that, I don't know. Contain myself maybe. So I'm already showing, I'm probably already gonna give away the Christmas gift as well. I showed you my brother's Christmas gift, and this is for my brother's wife. I know that she needs a backpack, so I asked her right out what kind of backpack she wanted. And here we have the gift package. That's nice, very nice. So I asked her what kind of bag she wanted, and she wanted one from Gaston Luga, and that's nice. So this is the one that they call Pärlan, the pearl. Looks very nice, a bit smaller than I thought maybe, but I really liked their touch of quality, like the gold plates and the gold ziplock and all the gold details. So very nice backpack. I'm not going to unbox it more than this. I just wanted to show you. Nice carrying, nice size. Vegan leather that doesn't smell weird at all. A small pocket in the rear where you can have your passport, and quite large pockets on the outside. I like that in a backpack. And on the inside we have that nice maroon color. So I think she's going to be super happy with that one. And then I also got her something smaller. Let me see if we can open it instead of breaking it. So here we have a matching makeup bag, or whatever you want to use it for. Nice size. This is something I could have used myself. I really like their gold plates. So Gaston Luga, Stockholm, Sweden. I'm keeping this one for my shoes. So nice. This is our Christmas gifts. Gaston Luga bag, and as usual I have a discount code, Sir Pierre, or maybe Sir Pierre 10. Check the description for that, which gives you 10% discount, or maybe 15, even when they have things on sale. So when we had Singles Day, they had 20% sale plus my discount code, and now they're gonna have Cyber Monday, Black Friday, etc., etc. So a short unboxing, nice backpack. Check the description for pictures. I don't want to open this more than this. Ah, nice magnet lock. Really nice, really good quality on a magnet lock. They are very price worthy, their bags. This one is, I think, 110 euros. And at the moment, with the sale, it's like 90 euros. And then with my discount, so it's a really nice backpack for the money. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, comment, share, like. And ask me if you have any question about anything that I show you. So this is what was just a very short unboxing to show you and to give you my discount code. Thanks for watching.